Before we get into the actual pretext calls between Al and Letecia, there's one phone call from February 12th, 2020 that I think needs to come first. While I was going back through all of this audio and putting everything into chronological order, I found this call Letecia made to the El Paso County Sheriff's Office. And what's interesting about this one is that Letecia doesn't call as herself. She calls pretending to be Harley. At this point, Gannon had already been missing for more than 2 weeks. Investigators were very much focused on Letecia, and law enforcement had already seized property as part of the investigation. Yet here she is calling the sheriff's office using Harley's identity and trying to get information about it or regain access to property that had been taken. And I want you to pay attention to how comfortable she sounds doing it. There's no hesitation about pretending to be someone else. She simply steps into Harley's identity and carries on the conversation. I think this call is important because it gives us a glimpse of Letecia's behavior immediately before the FBI begins those recorded pretext calls with Al. And starting in the next video, that's exactly where we're going. But before, let's listen to what happened on February 12th when Letecia Stauch called the El Paso County Sheriff's Office pretending to be her own daughter.
Sheriff's Office evidence. This is Chris.
Hi, yes. I was on hold earlier. I think you might have been busy or something, so I waited to call back for a little bit.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Sorry. What time did you call?
I just called you like maybe 15, 20 minutes ago, and you said, hold on.
No, that wasn't. There's 4 of us working here, so that wasn't me.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm like, I don't recognize your voice.
I just figured you were busy. Okay, so I'm trying to find out about some contents of mine that was in a car. So my book bag, which had a lot of my Social Security card, birth certificates and stuff, that was in a car that's still impounded. And I just want to know, they gave me the purse one day out of it, but how can I get the book bag? And I need my MacBook for school.
Your MacBook. Okay. What is your name?
Harley Hunt.
Harley Hunt. And do you have a case number so I can look it up?
Let's see this. I have this paper. It says agency number. Is that it? Or I have a VIN number?
It should be agency.
Agency number? All right. 2020-1382.
All right. Let's take a look here. Excuse me. Excuse me. Thank you.
Thank you.
You said it's a book bag?
There's a black and white book bag that was in the back seat of the white Jetta. And it has like my passport, my social, my birth certificate, my dog paperwork, my MacBook.
Okay. Let's see.
Yeah, there was like there was a one blue bag that had a MacBook in it. And then there was a black and white book bag, and there was like my diamond rings are in it. And then there's a pink folder that has like my birth certificate and all that in it.
Okay. Let's see here.
Like, I understand they might still be holding the car, but like I can't like even like work or anything without having my passport because I'm a flight attendant. And
okay. And you said your name was Carly Hunt, is that correct?
Harley Hunt.
Harley Hunt. Okay, Harley. Well, I can tell you right now, everything on this case is evidence. So because it's evidence, I cannot release it back to you without written authorization from basically a higher authority. They have not given us any written authorizations to release. So unfortunately, what you may want to do is contact the detective on this case. Have you been in contact with anybody?
No.
Okay. All right. Well, let me go ahead and get the lead detective's number for you, and you can call them in reference to this, okay?
Okay.
All right. Hold on just one second.
Okay.
Okay. Harley?
Yeah.
Okay. So that's going to be Detective Bethel,
Okay.
and her desk number is going to be 520 7291.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Goodbye.
So that was Letecia Stauch on February 12th, calling the El Paso County Sheriff's Office and pretending to be Harley. And what stands out to me is just how easy she does it. She's already under intense scrutiny. Her stepson's missing. Investigators are collecting evidence. And instead of simply calling and identifying herself, she assumes Harley's identity to try to get the information she's looking for. And this is where I want to begin the series, because what happens next is when investigators start giving Letecia something she desperately seems to want, someone willing to listen to her story. In part two, we're moving to February 13th and the very first recorded pretext call between Al and Letecia. That's where Al begins asking questions and Letecia starts talking about Gannon's burns and bath salts and details about blood inside the house. And once these calls begin, the stories are going to start changing very quickly. So make sure you're subscribed and I'll see you in part two. Thank you for watching, commenting, sharing, and helping these conversations reach more people. And to my paid members, whose names are appearing on the screen now, thank you for directly supporting the work that goes into obtaining records, organizing these lengthy interviews, and creating these deep dives. Your support means more than you know, and I truly appreciate every one of you. As you all know, FOIA requests a lot of times are not free. So all the support I get, I truly appreciate.